very exciting announcement indeed, because it's about $200 million. We are announcing today that together with our venture capital partners, we will invest $200 million of venture capital in the digital energy smart grid space. We will do this in a 12 to 16 months time frame to really make a meaningful and tangible impact on that space. This entire innovation challenge is about accelerating innovation. It's about moving faster and building the grid for the 21st century. We want to combine the dynamics of entrepreneurs and innovators with industrial expertise of a large company like GE. This is about getting scale and speed together so that we can be successful with this, when facing this enormous challenge of building the grid for the 21st century. It is an enormous challenge. We all know this. This is a challenge for Europe. It's a challenge for the US. It's a challenge for other regions on this planet to build a more efficient, more interactive grid. And GE, as a leader in this space, is very mindful of the fact that it will need partnerships to be successful in deploying smart grid digital energy technology and innovation. This is why we are launching this innovation challenge. This is why we are inviting entrepreneurs, innovators, businesses to send us their proposals, how they want to drive innovation in this space, and how they want to work with GE. That is a major thrust of this initiative for GE, and I would like to invite Gina, as our European investment partner, Emerald Ventures, to explain how she looks at this initiative from the perspective of a venture capital firm, and then I'm going to describe to you how this is all going to work. Gina?
Thank you, Tore. It's great to be here today, and it's great to have been asked to be a partner with GE. As you've heard before, there is this idea that in Europe we're going to use innovation to help us get us out of this crisis, to help actually achieve the 2020 goals. We believe there's not a problem necessarily with technology or invention. The problem that we find in Europe compared to North America is really the innovation, getting these businesses off the ground. And a lot of it has to do with awareness, a lot of it has to do with culture and entrepreneurial spirit, if you'd like. Having GE come out and say that they're willing to collaborate with companies to bring the synergies really to the table, where the young companies come with innovative technologies, GE comes with the access to market, the ability to scale, the knowledge of when to freeze designs, when to scale the products. That is going to help these companies to be more successful. It's going to reduce the risk. It's going to reduce the capital intensity for us. And so as clean tech venture capitalists, we're happy, and we believe that it's going to be definitely a win-win solution for Europe, and we hope that Europe will kind of stop lagging behind North America. Thank you.
Well, thank you for. Let me explain to you real quick how this challenge is actually going to work. First of all, very important, it's a global challenge, so we are ready to accept submissions from all regions. We already have a digital platform up and running. You go to our Ecomagination webpage. There you find our digital platform, the interface through which you can send us your submissions. We have a time window until the end of September, approximately 10 weeks, during which we accept those submissions. And each entry will be evaluated by a joint team between our venture capital partners and GE employees in regard to a future commercial relationship. And a future commercial relationship, of course, could be an investment and an equity investment, but it could also be something different, what GE could offer, like a distribution agreement, an agreement to work together in developing a product, a technology, or in helping businesses to scale their businesses. That is, of course, one of the particular expertise we have and we can offer to our partners in this process. In October, we will go public with a short list. On the short list, you will find those entries, those participants of the Innovation Challenge who got picked and selected for a more in-depth discussion and negotiation about a future commercial relationship. And we are very much looking forward to having those discussions, because we firmly believe that this kind of partnering, this kind of open collaboration is going to help us to be successful in this space for the benefit of companies, entrepreneurs, innovators involved, but also for the greater benefit of the communities we are all living in and we are all serving. So we are ready for those submissions, and I would like to call out to the innovators, entrepreneurs, and businesses on this planet, send us your submissions. Let us be successful together. Ultimately, join us in shaping the future. Thank you.